In this video, we review priority tax relief. Have you used priority tax relief before? What was your experience? Leave your priority tax relief review in the comments section below. Tax relief services have become a beacon for individuals grappling with substantial tax debts. A staggering 14 million taxpayers owe over $25 billion in unpaid taxes, underscoring the critical need for such services. Among these, priority tax relief has emerged as a notable player, offering assistance to those seeking to resolve their tax obligations. Clients have reported positive experiences with priority tax relief. One individual highlighted their assistance in filing tax returns and resolving capital gains tax issues from cryptocurrency sales. Another client appreciated their help in recovering funds from a previous tax relief company and obtaining a favorable resolution with the IRS. Despite these positive accounts, the tax relief industry is fraught with challenges. Some clients have encountered issues with other companies, such as Optima Tax Relief, which faced criticism for overcharging and underdelivering. These experiences have led to skepticism about the effectiveness and transparency of tax relief services. When engaging with tax relief services, it's imperative to conduct thorough research. The IRS offers free resources and assistance, which can be a cost-effective alternative to paid services. Additionally, consulting with a certified public accountant, CPA, or an enrolled agent, EA, can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific situation. In conclusion, while priority tax relief has garnered positive feedback from some clients, it's essential to approach such services with caution. The tax relief industry has its share of reputable providers and those with less favorable reputations. By conducting diligent research and considering alternative options, individuals can make informed decisions to effectively manage their tax obligations.